Looking for the best rabbit cages? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 rabbit cages on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Midwest Homes for Pets, Wabatat Deluxe Rabbit Home Kit. Comes with a hay feeder, feeding bowl, water bottle, and elevated area. Large, wide door for easy access. Easy to clean and assemble. Can be purchased with an extension. A great cage filled with accessories and made with a solid base that is comfortable for your smaller rabbit to lounge on. Some buyers wished the accessories were larger. At number 2. Midwest Wabatat Folding Rabbit Cage. The removable bedding tray is sturdy, owner's note. Plenty of height and double doors are a nice plus. A good-sized cage that fits most adult rabbits, though its bars can bend too easily. Portable convenience. Metal bars can bend out of shape. At number 1. Midwest Critonation Small Animal Cage with Stand. Easy to clean, with extra wide doors. Sturdy shelves don't need to be detached for cleaning, saving time. Owners like that the cage can be configured. A sturdy cage for small pets like rabbits. However, owners may end up replacing the bedding tray for a bit deeper one. Bedding tray is too shallow, letting rabbits kick debris out of cage. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.